Hey guys, so it's like 7 a.m. I haven't slept yet. We are gonna take Bentley out for a little walk just because I can't seem to sit still right now and I'm bored, and today is my day where I am resetting my sleep schedule. So it's gonna be a real interesting day. So I think it's like -20 outside right now. It's currently snowing. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's snowing and it looks so pretty. There's Bentley. Bentley, look. Hi. My plan for the day is to go to the mall. I have quite a few things I need to mail out. It's been so wickedly cold lately that I haven't really been able to get out and get things done, and I'm also super broke because I did just pay a pretty big vet bill, but definitely worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna mail some stuff out today. I have to stop at the bank. No, puppy. There you go. That's a good boy. What else do I have to do? Get some things for Bentley, get a few groceries. And here's the kicker, guys. I'm gonna do all of these errands without my service dog. So we will see how that goes. I'm a little nervous. I will definitely be taking some medications today just because I don't really want to have a meltdown in the middle of the mall or in the middle of the sidewalk when I'm walking to the mall. So yeah, hopefully that'll go well. I'll probably take my med in like 3 hours and then head off to the mall to run my errands and get some things. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. We emailed our vet the other day and took a picture of Bentley's incision, which is kind of weird because like normally you don't take a picture of your dog's, well, parts. So it was kind of awkward for me to get Bentley on his back and take a picture of his incision area. But we did, and we sent it to the vet. And in 3 days, so I think today is the 28th. So in 3 days, Bentley is cleared to go back to work, which is super exciting. I can't wait, actually. Oh, I'm so out of breath right now. Guys, this is life with a heart condition and residual damage from infections. My lungs don't work in the cold. The air hurts my lungs and it makes my heart work harder. So, fun fact, my heart works twice as hard as the average person just because of all its things that are incorrect with it. So my heart is backwards and in the middle of my chest as opposed to facing the right way. I think normal hearts are on the right side. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. I don't have a right heart or a left heart or whatever you want to call it. So I don't know these things. But yeah. So I definitely tire out faster than the average person. I lose my breath faster, especially in the winter. Winter is so hard on me. You know, the medications I'm on, the heart condition I have, the damage that's been done with infections. I have no control over that stuff and it sucks. And that is life with congenital chronic illness. It's a good time. This is a little old folks home. People are going to work. Rush hour, I think, is right now. I think it's like 7:15 now. So give it like 15 minutes. Oh yeah, there's some horns already. And these streets will just be so full of vehicles getting to work. Ooh. So this isn't a very exciting view right now. Bentley's just hanging out. Hey, buddy. Bentley. Hey. Hey guys, so it's about 10:15 a.m. I decided while I go on my little errand expedition today that I would conduct a little bit of an experiment with Bentley. Over here, he's sleeping right now. Right next to him is my laptop. I'm gonna turn the camera on it, and then over here in the kitchen, my super old digital camera is charging. And I'm probably gonna set that up facing into the bedroom. And then over here, my iPad is on the ground over there. And I'm gonna have that one facing towards me this way, coming into the apartment. I really just wanna see what Bentley does while I leave the house. I have a feeling all he's gonna do is sleep, and that's perfectly okay with me. But it would just be kind of cool to see if he like wanders around or if he barks at all while I'm gone. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so we've officially left the house. All the cameras are on, and here's hoping that it catches something interesting. I'm gonna put my phone away because it's actually pretty cold out and my hands are frozen. So we'll see you guys in a bit. So I made it. I was gone for almost 2 hours and haven't looked at the footage yet. Had like a minute to get in the door and then like come outside, take the dog outside. So we will look at the footage and we go back inside and see what happened with Mr. Squish. Right, Bubba's? But other than that, I'm exhausted, I'm in a lot of pain, and I really need some quiet time. So we're probably just gonna play some video games and hang out. Hey guys, so we're at the 12-hour mark. I have about 4 more hours until I'm officially gonna call it a day and go to bed. I had a little power nap this afternoon just because I started feeling a little bit shaky and a little nauseous, so I had a little bit of a lay down. Took me a little bit to wake up from it, but I'm definitely awake now, and I'm just gonna do some tidying in the kitchen and feed Bentley and take him outside for a little walk. And then I think we're just gonna settle in for the evening and watch some movies, so yeah. So the one thing about resetting a sleep schedule is that it's actually pretty hard on my body. Let's add in that the pharmacy was super behind in filling prescriptions today, and I'm 6 hours late on one of my heart meds, so I'm having a little bit of chest pain and my breathing is a little more labored than usual. I just got back in from a walk with Bentley and I had to sit down in a snowbank for a bit just to catch my breath. But I'm okay. Bentley's really good at keeping me safe on those kinds of episodes. He just kind of sits next to me and licks my face and keeps me grounded, so that was super nice. My friend is gonna come pick me up and we're gonna go to the pharmacy because I got a message a little while ago that my prescriptions have finally been filled, so I can go and pick them up. And then I will take my meds, and then I think I'm probably just gonna go to bed. So I'd say my body pain's at about a 7 right now. Without the heart meds, my pain definitely increases. It gets harder to breathe. My heart's working harder. So this will be a really nice relief once I can take my meds.
Want some ice cream? Good boy, Bentley.
So we just got back a little while ago from the pharmacy. I took my medications and I'm definitely feeling a whole lot more stable. We have an hour to go and then we will have reset the sleep schedule. Thanks so much for watching today's video and stay tuned for more.